Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your system and network are ready. Close Rainbow Six Siege and any overlays, then make sure you are not using a VPN or proxy because they can lock you into a region. Connect via wired Ethernet if you can, since stability matters for server selection. Once done, open Ubisoft Connect or load Siege and navigate directly to the network or server selection area. This is where you will actually change the data center, so stay focused and keep the connection steady. You should now see a list of available data centers or regions. The game shows ping values next to each. Click a candidate with lower ping and run a quick ping test or use the built-in diagnostic to confirm latency and packet loss. If your platform caches server choice, make sure to apply or save the new selection. Once done, load a custom or offline match for 5 to 10 minutes to observe stuttering, hit registration, and consistent ping before returning to competitive matchmaking. Finish by restarting Rainbow Six Siege and Ubisoft Connect to ensure the client binds to the chosen data center. You should monitor a few ranked or casual matches to confirm everything is stable. If you still experience high ping or rubber banding, flush your DNS, clear game cache, and check NAT type on your router. Open NAT helps. Make sure to disable overlays, third-party mods, or cloud uploads while testing, because those can interfere with server selection and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.